Cheers, Patrick. Beautiful, beautiful jump there. Right here on our Twitch channel, on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook, on X, wherever you're watching this, we're streaming all around the world. We're utilizing some new Teradek gear that's allowing us to go live in situations like this. So it's great to see this one going well. Here we go. Thank you for joining us for Southern Ohio Forest Rally, round 5 of the ARA National Championship. What a weekend it's been.